So this is the Model 2000 SP humidity and temperature generator and calibrator, and it is the most popular unit in our large line of single pressure humidity generators. These units are great if you're looking to speed up your calibration times, or if you are tight on bench space, or if you perform a lot of field calibrations. This unit has 9 different bung size adapters and will calibrate every standard type of hygrometer. So your probes, data loggers, chart recorders, and even hair hygrometers will all work with this unit. The rule is, as long as you can fit the hygrometer inside either the chamber or the optional expansion chamber, you can calibrate it. Now, in my opinion, the Model 2000 SP is by far the best choice for any calibration laboratory that's looking for a durable, lightweight, high accuracy standard with both temperature and humidity control. It has an overall uncertainty of 1% RH, which makes it perfect for almost every humidity calibration that you are likely to see. If you happen to be one of the few labs with applications that require better uncertainties, you can always purchase a chilled mirror like an RH Systems 473 or 373 to use as an external reference standard. But for most applications, the internal capacitive standard is more than sufficient. For you field calibration technicians out there, the SP weighs in at 23 pounds, which makes it light enough to be carried and shipped around when you're traveling or to an on-site cal. For those of you spending most of your day in the lab, the 2000 SP has a small enough form factor that it barely uses any bench space. There's no compressor, no massive power supply. There is nothing on this unit that can cause you any grief. And that really comes in handy if you have something like a hybrid calibration business that splits your time between both field and lab. So let's get into the actual operation of this unit. It is extremely straightforward. You have a universal power supply in the back, which can be mated to any international plug type. As a precaution, before we plug this in, we are going to check the fill level indicator on the front, just to make sure that we aren't running this unit dry. This water level is good, so we're going to plug it in and flip the power switch to the on position. The 2000 SP can be controlled either through this front panel or through the advanced calibration automation software. Now, we will be going over that software in a future video, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Changing focus back to this unit's display, we can see that it contains 5 values in total. On the left, we can see the user-entered temperature and humidity set points, while on the right, we can see the actual temperature and humidity as measured by the internal capacitive standard. Finally, on the bottom, we can see a calculated dew point, which is very useful if you're using a chilled mirror or operating at an extremely high humidity percentage. To change the set points, all you need to do is press the next button to toggle between humidity and temperature, and then hold either the up or down buttons until you reach your set point. And this leads me into speed. The first thing I hear at trade shows is that this unit is the fastest anyone has ever seen. And on top of that, you see how easy it is to enter set points. In most cases, once you enter those points, the chamber will settle on them in 10 minutes or less. That's it. Simple, fast, and easy. At 23 degrees Celsius, this unit can start at 5% RH and settle at 95% RH in less than 3 minutes. It can perform a 5-point temperature cal when cooling from 25 to 15 degrees Celsius in less than 40 minutes. This chamber is so fast and so easy that your only concern is going to be the settling time of the humidity device that you're calibrating. So right now, if you've paid $50,000 for a 2-pressure generator, and you're waiting 8 to 10 hours to complete a 3-point temperature cal, at less than $20,000, you should really consider the GEO 2000 SP for your lab. Now, this is just the quick introductory video for the Model 2000 SP. Some of the future videos we have coming up for this unit are an in-depth guide to advanced software control, a general maintenance overview, deskant change instructions, accessory overviews, and an in-depth look at both the initial calibration and recalibration of the unit. So for those videos and more, please subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.
For more information, please visit Technical.